Hello, welcome to today's educational video tutorial on how to transfer BabyDoge from a crypto exchange to your Tangem crypto hardware wallet. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to move BabyDoge from a crypto exchange to your Tangem hardware wallet within just a few minutes. If today is the first time we're meeting, hi, I'm Umoren, your trusted money coach. Follow me on Facebook and LinkedIn for more educational content on investing and personal finance. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the like button. Thank you so much for your support. Let's jump right in. How to transfer BabyDoge from a crypto exchange to your Tangem hardware wallet. Today's video tutorial is going to be demonstrated on my phone. You can follow the same process if you're performing the same transaction on your laptop or desktop. It follows the same logic. Step 1. Log into your preferred crypto exchange. For example, Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, KuCoin. You can follow the same process. So today, I'm going to guide you specifically on how to transfer BabyDoge from KuCoin to your Tangem crypto hardware wallet. And as a bonus step, I'm also going to show you how to buy BabyDoge easily on KuCoin within just a few minutes. Step 1. Go ahead and log into your KuCoin account. If you don't have a KuCoin account, scroll to the description area below for the official link or click on the link up here. So go ahead and log into your KuCoin account. Once you're logged into KuCoin, click on the asset icon. So that is the icon on the lower right. Next, we're going to click on trading. And right here, you can see that I have some USDT in my KuCoin account. If you don't know how to transfer USDT to your KuCoin account, check out the step-by-step video I did on how to buy Tether USDT on KuCoin. I'm going to leave the link to the video in the description area below, and I'm going to leave it up here so you can check that out. Right here, you can see the available USDT that I have. Now we're going to click on Market. Market is the second button on the lower left. And now, right at the top, we're going to search for BabyDoge. So that's the first selection, so I'm going to click on it. Then go ahead and click on the buy button. Then I'm going to change the type of order to market order because I just want to buy this. So now I'm going to buy $20 worth of BabyDoge. So right under the amount section, I'm going to enter 20. Click on done. Then I'm going to click on buy BabyDoge. Then I'm going to enter my trading password. Now order has been placed already. So step 2. We're going to transfer the BabyDoge that we just bought into our Tangem hardware wallet. So step 2, log into your Tangem hardware wallet app. If you don't have a Tangem hardware wallet, check out the official link in the description area below and also in the pinned comment. And don't forget to use my discount code Blooming to get 10% off your Tangem order. So go ahead and log into your Tangem wallet. Now we're going to click on Manage Token. We're going to search for BabyDoge. So this is the first one. I'm going to click on the drop down arrow. And here we can see that we have two available networks. We have the ERC20 and the BNB Smart Chain, that's the BEP20. Usually the BEP20 is much cheaper compared to the ERC20. But the way I'm going to know the network that I'm going to select is going to depend on the available network on KuCoin. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back into KuCoin, click on the home button, click on asset. So right here, you can see that I have about 11.7 billion BabyDoge. Click on asset. Right at the top here, you can see different tabs, which is overview, funding, trading, margin, and futures. I'm going to click on funding. Then click on withdrawal. Then I'm going to select BabyDoge. And right here, we can see the available networks. So this is showing me that if I use the BEP20, it's only going to cost me $1.39. But if I use the ERC20, it's going to cost me $23.16. So obviously, I'm going to go with the BEP20. So I'm going to go back into my Tangem wallet. Click on Manage Token, search for BabyDoge. So that's the first one. So I'm going to enable the BEP20 network because that's the cheaper of the two. I'm going to click on Save Changes. Now, if I scroll down a little bit, you can see that the BabyDoge coin has been added. to my account. So I'm going to click on BabyDoge coin, then click on receive. So this is my wallet. So I'm going to click on copy, address copy to clipboard. Then I'm going to go back into my KuCoin account. And I'm going to paste the address here. I'm going to select the network, which is the BP20. And I'm going to select maximum. Because again, I want to send all of this to my Tangem wallet. And I'm going to click on withdraw. Click on confirm withdrawal. Then I'm going to enter my trading password. Next, I'm going to enter my email verification code. So click on the send button. And I'm going to paste the code right here. Then I'm also going to enter my 2FA. Click on confirm. And here it says withdrawal successful. So I'm just going to add this address to my book. And I can just label it as BabyDoge for Tangem. Click on done. Save as standard address and click on confirm. Address successfully added. So now we're going to wait a few minutes for this transaction to be processed. While we're waiting for the transaction to be processed and confirmed, if you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comment section below and click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel. If you have any video suggestion on tutorials that you want me to make on a particular coin or token, just let me know in the comment area below. And if you don't have a Tangem hardware wallet, scroll to the description area below for the official link, and don't forget to use my discount code Blooming to get 10% off your order. I just got a notification that the withdrawal has been successful. This was pretty fast. So I'm going to X out of this, go to my home page. So now I'm going to log back into my Tangem wallet. So go ahead and log back into your Tangem wallet. And right here, right at the bottom, you can see that the BabyDoge coin that we just transferred from KuCoin is now in our Tangem hardware wallet. So we've come to the end of today's video tutorial. If you want a one-on-one session with me, go ahead and reserve your spot. I'm going to leave a link in the description area below. If you found this video helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel. I'm Blooming Umoren.